Hello, Mike. Yeah, and with the 2 bags of money. Yeah. One for shutting down the club and one for spraying on the ladies. That's why they call me Harlem Juices.
Daddy.
Yeah, don't mention.
Hey!
Hey!
This man! What is it? Charlie boy is our mumu don't too much. Charlie boy na ya mumu na you too much.
Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest.
Maybe juju be that.
You know the
Maybe lie. You go treat that nigga for call.
What's up?
That nigga don't do for call. Huh?
Hey!
Where's your leader?
God have mercy upon us.
Hey! Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Mubi handicap.
What is it? Charlie boy is our mumu don't too much. Charlie boy na ya mumu na you too much.
From now onwards, I'm your Capone. I've made money.
Daddy. You still dey follow Gambari for yard.
What do you have to say?
Hey, that money they ginger me. Hey, from now onwards, now you be Al Capone. Ejanla, what do you have to say about this now?
No way I wanna. As money done there, bro. You can carry on.
Capone, Tete.
Omo, as you don't come carry car for Al Capone, where you go flex us?
Ha! No be lie.
He dey smoke Igbo. He dey take
Wale! For that woman join. Move they go.
Ah, power.
Oh, mumu no too much. You can't do the work you done. You went to prison for.
Yeah, this quadro.
I will take this court group into the next level.
This man! What do you do?
Sir, your money is 300,000.
300K?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's nothing.
God have mercy upon us.
Yeah, this
What be this? What be this?
Oh no!
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
My niggas. Men that matters.
Think say they wise.
So, madam, see what we'll do. You take the bag of fufu. Minus it. How much?
Okay.
That should be.
Sir, your money is remaining 295,000.
Oh. 295,000.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Le monde part en couille.
So Vinci. So Vinci. So Vinci.
Are you playing? What type of play is this?
Yeah, this God.
Lord of Jesus. Don't run. Move.
Also a perfect record, 35 fights, 35 victories, including 32 wins by knockout, including 22 consecutive KOs, and he has KO'd every opponent he's faced over the last 8 years.
And mama, don't worry, you raised the gangster, I'm a survivor.
Hello, motherfucker.
Let me tell you something! Let me tell you something! They're coming on! They're coming on! No.
Not be juju be that.
Jesus.
Not be juju be that.
Makeup look good with my earrings.
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Okay, so today
The fuck?
filter is so cool. Check it out.
I don't know.
Look. Wait, hold on. Wait.
My TikTok.
Putting the spider filter on my Dieter while she sleeps.
Wake up, Michaela, look.
Look at this new filter.
Oh.
Are you working all on that stuff, huh?
Yeah.
You gonna get it all out?
Hot.
Relax.
What's your birth date?
18th.
But this is 9.
9 plus 9.
It's 18, but you didn't
tell us we'll do maths with your this thing. No?
They didn't have to tell you before you know. Anyway that you join. Let's try again. You are doubting. Watch. What's today's date?
That's it. That's 2.
15 times 2.
Nana Kafra.
No.
That must be a Yahoo boy. That must be a Yahoo boy. Which kind of tinted glass is that? That must be a Yahoo boy. Park this car. Park this. Hey, park this side. Okay, go. Park. Hey. Put that car there. Park this car. Wind down. Okay, wind it down. Bring it down. I don't in the front face of me. Okay, follow me talk. No, don't tell me to calm down. Where's the particulars? I say particulars. You say make I calm down. Your particulars. You know they follow me talk. I say where is your particulars now?
Will you keep quiet?
If I am talking, you are frowning.
Hey, Cobra.
Sir, I see this man. Oh, see this Yahoo boy. Yo, how can I be talking to him? He's not talking to me. He's not talking with me. He's not talking with you, sir.
Hello? 3211 attack. Yes, we lost 257 area. Over.
Handcuff him.
Make sure you handcuff him. He said, hello, I need he lost 21. Handcuff him. Just no handcuff him. If handcuff him, we run. Handcuff him and handcuff him.
Okay, sir.
Handcuff him and handcuff him. Down. The handcuff us. Handcuff our two. I need 2 healers right away.
Make him not run.
Handcuff me.
Are they come?
2 healers with police gun AK-47, AK-57. All right, now. Handcuff us. This is the moment.
Bring your hand. Don't bring your hand. Push it. Sorry, sir. Come, will you come down there? Will you come down? Come, will you come down?
I need you people at command.
I talking. I will match you now.
Listen. Let me deal with him.
Okay, brother.
On my phone. You must hear to.
Deal with this boy. Sir. Hold on.
Now this man handcuff.
Now this policeman. Now this man handcuff.
Fresh. You know this thing clothes.
This clothes or cracker. Cheap or cracker like this. You go wipe me.
Fresh. Where the handcuff key?
Handcuff key.
Yes.
This handcuff no get key now. You know this particular one. You need to get key. I was having a plan that when we get to the station, we find nearest welder, cut him. Now you don't go feel wrong.
Fresh. Station. Tell me you are joking.
Have you seen a police officer joking? Like, sir, do you joke? Do I joke? Am I a comedian? Are you a comedian?
Fresh. I don't die. Fresh.
See?
You see that figure?
Est-ce que les bébés, si on est bébé?
Rono. A town hall.
Okay, now soldier. Okay, sir, let me find the welder where we put them. Now let me find the welder and I'm coming. Let me get the welder.
Hey!
Ojo Mercy.
So like we are going to view all this, like all these things.
Okay.
You understand? Camera yash.
Oh, cameraman.
عليك يا ابن لا قلة ولا شفاعة الكافرون هم الظالمون الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم
You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know you cannot make it.
You mean Disney did this to you?
It's not my fault, but everybody's blaming me.
This whole thing is not making sense to me. Just start from the beginning. What are you saying? So to spice our relationship up, I told him that we should role play.
I'll be a terrorist. She'll be my victim.
Which can play with that one?
Exactly. At first I refused though, but you know women now.
My terrorist.
Obìnrin.
Give me your battle cry. Shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me.
What? I had no idea it was a real gun. Which can't talk me down. You will buy gun for Aja on that bridge. You know nothing a real gun. See,
Oswald.
So that's the story of your mother and I.
Okay, so question number 2. Where do babies come from?